it was a priority that I got this, so I had to make it a priority to make the video. Even going to skip the intro because it's a priority that I see what is inside here. We have to rush right away. No waiting. It's been long enough. I got pieces? What's going on here? I got bags in the way. Okay. I got these. Okay. Oh, there it is. Whew. I did that pretty fast. But I knew that was broken. So, apparently, yeah, that's just to kind of hold it in place. Apparently, this is a type of test resin where, as they're making the mold, they would make these to see, you know, what exactly it would be about, or to show somebody, hey, this is what we want it to look like. I heard these were coming out of Austria, and I had a chance to obtain one, so I wanted to grab this one. It is Gargamel of the Smurfs. Happens to be on a blue stem, kind of funny, but it doesn't really fit inside of there. Again, this is just a mock-up, kind of a prototype type item. Huh. There's no candy pusher or anything like that. Just here you go. That's what we're wanting. Now, the legitimacy of these and where they came from, don't know. Just know they came out of Austria. They are kind of cool looking. There's many different ones available. Usually they're bigger than the actual head that was on the dispenser. So until next time,